Tokyo, Reuters, Asian stocks edged up on Wednesday after tech sector strength lifted Wall Street shares, while concerns about Italy's euro trademark's debt prompted investors to move into lower-risk government debt elsewhere, pushing U.S. Treasury yields down from recent highs. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan. MIUP J0000 plus rose 0.1%, while Japan's Nikkei. N225 edged down 0.1%. Australian stocks rose 0.3%. The Nasdaq. IXIC closed at a record high for the second day in a row on Tuesday with help from the technology and consumer discretionary sectors amid an upbeat outlook for the U.S. economy. N. But the S&P 500. SPX dipped, with the financial sector hit by lower Treasury yields, which can reduce banks' profits. Treasury yields fell as investors moved back into safe haven government debt after Italy's euro trademark's new Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte vowed to enact economic policies that could add to the national euro trademark's already heavy debt load. On the other hand, the debt concerns caused Italian government bond yields to rise again after they had declined to one-week lows on Monday. A euro or Italian political situation will remain uncertain, and considering its potential impact on European Central Bank policy, market volatility could continue to relatively high. A euro, said Yoshinori Shigemi, global market strategist at JP Morgan Asset Management. The currency market. A euro trademark's response to comments from the new Italian Prime Minister was more positive, with the euro gaining after Conte said the government had no plans to leave the eurozone. The euro was a shade higher at $1.1724 euro equals after gaining about 0.2% overnight. The currency had fallen to a 10-month low of $1.1510 on May 29 on worries about Italy exiting the eurozone. The dollar index against a basket of 6 major currencies. DXY fell 0.1% to 93.833. The US currency was little changed at 109.850 yen. JPY equals after being nudged off a near 2-week high above 100.00 scaled the previous day as US yields fell overnight. The 10-year Treasury note yield was at 2.929%. US 10 YT equals RR, having pulled back from a 10-day high of 2.946% scaled on Monday. In commodities, Brent crude futures LCOC1 were down 8 cents at $75.30 a barrel. The contract went as low as $73.81, the weakest since May 8, the previous day after a report that the U.S. government had asked Saudi Arabia and other major exporters to increase oil output.